Creating jewelry at home has become a thrilling adventure for many of us. The charm of handmade pieces lies in their uniqueness, allowing us to express our individuality and creativity. With the rise of eco-conscious consumers, more people are turning to jewelry making as a way to recycle materials and reduce waste. To get started, having the right tools is essential. Beading needles are perfect for stringing beads, while wire cutters ensure clean cuts for your chains and wires. A good pair of pliers is indispensable for bending and twisting wire into beautiful shapes. Choosing quality gemstones and beads is crucial. Think glass beads, semi-precious stones, or even eco-friendly options. Don't forget jump rings for connecting charms and clasps to secure your designs. If you're feeling adventurous, a bead loom can help you create intricate patterns. And for those delicate pieces, crimp beads and strong jewelry glue will keep everything in place while adding a polished finish. Dive into this creative world and let your imagination shine. Jewelry making at home is an exciting journey, especially with the trends for 2025. Bold links and chunky chains are dominating the scene, offering a striking look that's perfect for any outfit. Nature-inspired pieces are also on the rise, featuring beautiful stones and floral charms that bring an organic touch to your creations. If you prefer a more subtle approach, minimalist designs with delicate gemstones and simple shapes are ideal for showcasing elegance without the fuss. Personalized jewelry is a fantastic way to create something truly unique, whether it's an engraved necklace or a bracelet with initials. And let's not forget the bohemian vibe. Layered necklaces and beaded bracelets capture that carefree spirit beautifully. Resin jewelry is another trend to explore, allowing you to encase flowers or sparkles in stunning pieces. Sustainability is key, so consider using eco-friendly materials to make your jewelry stand out while being kind to the planet. If you're thinking of selling your creations, set up an online store with clear photos and descriptions. Optimize your listings for SEO to attract more customers, and leverage social media to showcase your work. With these trends and tips, you can create stunning jewelry that reflects your style and creativity.